We made it! And I didn't curb my wheels that I'm gonna have for one more day. Did I say that? What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're back out at the Market Street Cars and Coffee Show. This is the season closer. December is always the best, but this time it's in November, so we're just gonna rock with it. There's gonna be 3 Paganis at least today. We already saw the Revuelto, all them things, so stick around, stay tuned, and let's check out some awesome cars. And there's Jordan. Starting with an awesome car. We got the U-Haul, baby. The eco-friendly V8. From Virginia. Very nice. Some beautiful, beautiful PTS GT3 RSs. With blue wheels. I like that. Then we can't forget about our elders here, the GT3. But man, that is one good looking Technica. Ooh, lordy. I already wake my neighbors up with the V10, but imagine waking them up with the V12, baby. That would be something. One day, someday. I feel like if I say it enough times, it'll happen. I'm gonna own one of these one day. Mark my words. It's a... What on earth is that thing? An Alpine Alos. That's funky looking. Got a beautiful white STO. That roof scoop, man. That roof scoop. Love, man. The man, the machine. Ooh, this is a beautiful 765 LT. Carbon stripes. The baddest R8 on the block, man. I think this is the R8 GT. Yep. The new R8 GT. And then the Urus Performante. Battle of the Purples. Or is that pink? You tell me below. I think it's pink.
It's pink.
Ooh. Bone stock SVJ needs more Gintani. It's the boy JLE. First time seeing this car in person. Hell yeah, that is sweet. Man, big congrats to the homie on the 720 Spider. Oh lordy. Twin turbo STO. And the Dino, baby. Should I answer chat? I don't think so. We got the new McLaren on the block, the 750S, and then behind a very beautiful 765 LT full MSO, baby. Yes, sir. There's the Pagani right there. Oh shit! Perfect time. Damn. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the one of one, El Chavez. And if one wasn't enough, a second one. Let the madness commence.
Oh, he's here? Yeah, he's right down there.
Oh yeah. My boy's got the right idea. Whoa, 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 what do we have here? See, I was really thinking about going this color. I just don't know. I don't know if I like it or if I don't. I just really am confused. Because I like orange. I've seen a lot of orange cars lately. That's just one of those ones that I just really don't know. Let me know. Should we wrap it orange or should we wrap it at all? It's the work truck with a little bit of spice. A real life 458 GT3. I don't know if this one was TJ Hunt's car that was green, because I know that car came to Houston and someone did repaint it red. I just don't exactly know if it's this one, but if it is, that's wild to see. The GT3 style mirrors, fenders, and then this thing has a front stance like no other. Man, that's crazy. We got another GT3 RS. The yellow one was from Mexico, and this one. Where are all these plates coming from? That's wild. That's quite the drive, Mr. Cohen. That's quite the drive. This thing's got the blue wheels too. Man. Hey, that's a beautiful car. But 500K? I don't know about that. All right, you guys, people are starting to head out. So we're gonna post up here, watch them roll out, and hopefully get some acceleration. All right, I'm running.
We going in the middle?
Yep. Very nice. Bro's back for more, an absolute menace. Gives her attention. Here's the last little gang of people I want to see head out. GT3 RS is beautiful. And then the Big Daddy SVJ. And here goes Unspeakable, his new SVJ. Damn, the 2-car combo. All right, y'all, we're gonna hop in the big V10. Jordan's gonna get you the startup on the Temu, and then we're out of here. Let's get out of here, ignore that.
What do you do for work?
Oh, OnlyFans.